What camping gear would you pack while riding this cross-continent BDR Special Edition Ducati DesertX? Hey riders, I'm Ben, the founder of Moto Camp Nerd. On January 5th, BDR will be selecting the winner of their annual motorcycle sweepstakes, and in addition to taking home this one-of-a-kind Ducati, that same lucky individual will be winning a complete motorcycle camping kit curated by us here at Moto Camp Nerd. We put this kit together based on our gear experience and other BDR riders' feedback for a light and small setup that's still comfortable. This kit is worth just over $1,600, and I wanted to take a minute to go over a few of the key pieces. Starting from the ground up, we have the Nemo Tensor sleeping pad, known for being one of the lightest and most comfortable and still quiet pads on the market. We've paired that together with the Sea to Summit Traveler 2 30-degree down sleeping bag, again known for its small pack size and the ability to unzip it into a blanket. And of course, don't forget the pillow. Then you can throw all of that inside of the big Agnes Copper Spur UL1 Bikepack tent. This tent is known for its 12-inch pole segments, which makes it great for packing small in any motorcycle. And finally, once you get to camp, it's always nice to kick your feet up, so we threw in the big Agnes Mica Basin camp chair. And these are just a few of the items that we've thrown into this entire kit. Have you bought your ticket? Click the link in Ride BDR's bio or go to winbdrdesertx.com and donate today for your chance to win.